miles an hour. A chance of thunderstorms in the east. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Bridgeport, Ohio on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. The preceding 2 a.m. and 12 p.m. device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these storms to warn of impending Greene, Indiana, Florida, Washington, and Westmoreland, and in northern West 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWF 35, serves the following counties in east central Ohio: Athens, Belmont, Carroll, Columbiana, Coshocton, Germany, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Tuscarawas, and Washington. And these counties in northern West Virginia,